Hello, I. If me look good, me expect man now to call to me the 50 girl. Where you give me a week time and me do me ear and my nails. Man now to call to me. What you talk about?
Yeah, but you know if you disrespect me like that, I mean.
Me there this your Sarah, yeah. This me some this your back. You say disrespect from people. Look at you. Who is you?
At least I have little respect, man. I mean I spend the money, you know.
Me have respect and manners, but you don't have none.
I don't know respect. I respect.
Stop it nice or come out and me admire you. Oh yeah, come back for TV and fun. If you know you'll get that. If you know, let me say I go up on the road here. Stay there. I'm good money, you know. I don't come make a boy gone no. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Me call a girl there. Call Brittany. Yeah, Brittany.
I chop it up now.
I can't believe you. How weird. You come off the customer. Brittany, relax. Me there talking truth, that me come to talk truth. If you're my friend, me no, I don't know how me I go eat. Me no make me hair and my nails anymore. Me don't know. Yeah, help me get it back.
You see, because you're my friend still, me know somebody. You know what is science?
Science, you're in a school.
Right. You know one friend. You go to science and practice, but enough people go to him and say he worked very good, and the best part of it, in price, because it you know charge much.
See, talk so we can't talk no more.
Me talk no, they want to be here with business. One of the craziest thing.
We talk up here.
Yes, you know that.
So me do up here man forget to work with me.
That's the only way because you have a problem.
You know, see a 10 grand money back out of 50 grand money they give me.
But at 2.5 in charge.
2.5.
You know you can do it 4 times. If you know, it go work. If you know, it go work. But you can't.